Welcome to today's show. Today we're going to work on our TC20 Treadclimber right here. I've done a lot. I've changed the motor on this Treadclimber and the back bearing. But listen to this rubbing. So I'm just going to turn around so you can hear that. See that? Hear that scraping sound? We're going to try to fix that. Here, let's look down here. See, you can hear it right there. You're going to set up, I think, see there's a plate in there? We're going to tighten it up. Okay, so this plate in here is loose. Just going to stick a board in here. I'll pause it, but there's just a nut behind there I'm going to have to put a wrench on. Bolt up here is loose, so I put my 5/16 wrench on it, and we'll tighten her down. Wow. Alright, tighten it down. Let's put her up and try it. Okay, I have the light back on here so there's shadows, but now I tighten it all. It seemed to be good. So we'll call it good. I don't know how much play is supposed to be in here, but it moves a little bit, but I tighten it up. It's a lot better. So that's how you fix the grinding sound. There's a plate right in here. You need a 5/16 wrench and 7/32, I believe, Allen key. Flip her upside down, tighten her up. Alright, I hope that helped you out. Later.